If you do not message, if you do not have a supportive leadership, I don't care what you do as a project manager, is going to fail. Why you say, "Oh, that's really harsh, ED." Yes, I have to be harsh because if you do not have a supportive leadership, then when you have to escalate or you have to push back on things that they believe a project, you say I'm doing the quotes, the project manager should be doing or should be leading, and you go to your leadership and they're not supportive of what you're doing, because see, you've already would have had this addressed when you sat down to have that conversation, but you have to get their support right away. That's why I said, one of the books, another book that I'm writing and working on, is a PMO book, because if you don't, that's the very first thing I start off talking about, is saying, if you do not have supportive leadership for your PMO, you might as well dismantle it, because your leadership is going to push everyone to a protocol. Leadership is going to push them to a process. See, a lot of people don't like to do processes, and I'm all for processes, but I'm also for disrupting processes when it makes sense. And so, how do you know when to disrupt or to follow that actual process if it aligns what you're doing? So